we'll start with the today demo class about Power BI. Okay, what is Power BI? And we'll see the Power BI introduction when it came to the market. Okay, so before starting, do you have any BI tools? We have in the market different BI tools. Okay, why Power BI only in the market more trending? Okay, we will discuss all those topics today. Anyone having idea what is Power BI? First, you know any idea before coming to this class? If you don't know, just type no, no problem. Okay. If you know little bit, just tell me. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. I understand you don't know anything about Power BI. Okay. So first of all, BI. Okay, you understand the name itself. What is BI? Okay. First, if we understand BI, then we'll go to the what is a Power BI. Okay. So BI is nothing but business intelligence. Okay. Business intelligence. Okay. So why we need business intelligent people in the market? Okay. To develop the Power BI reports or any reports. Okay. Any reports and dashboards to the business. Okay. I'll tell you. So as a first, if you go to the BI concepts, we need to understand the data. Okay. What is data? Okay. First of all, we are storing any type of information in the databases, right? Okay. So if you go to any project in an organization, there will be different projects. Okay. So there will be people will use different tools. Okay. For example, we have project one that contains SQL database. Okay, that is SQL database. And project 2, they are using another database, that is Excel. Okay, they are storing the data in the form of Excel. And another we have project 3. Okay, they are storing the data in the form of Azure cloud. Okay, just take an example. They are storing the data because their requirement is different. They are storing the data in the form of Azure cloud. Okay, so there will be 3 kind of projects. They are using 3 databases. Okay, at the final day, okay, at the final day, the company CEO, want to see the data, want to see one centralized data. Okay, and he want to based upon means he want to connect to the all the databases. Okay, and he want to see certain reports and dashboards. Okay, like what will be the sales in a project 1, what will be the sales in project 2, what will be the sales in project 3. Okay, he want to see all the information kind of thing. He will not able to go to project 1 and get the access, and he will not able to go to the project 2 and get the access, right? It's very difficult to him because CEO and manager level, they are very busy with their meetings and to get the new requirements from the clients and everything. Okay, so they will not get the time. So now that case, the business, but the CEO or managers will go to the BI guys. They will ask them, okay, please create a few dashboards and reports to understand where our project levels. Okay, I want to see the market level trends, everything. Okay, they will ask this business intelligence person. Okay, so that business intelligent people, okay, now BI guys will come into the market. Okay, they will connect with the all the 3 people, like project 1 team. He will ask the project 1 team, please provide me the access. So he will get the first person access. Okay, same like that, he will get the all the 3 accesses. Okay, once he get the accesses through any BI tool. Okay, in the market olden days we have MSBI stack, that is SSRS. Okay, that is nothing but a SQL server reporting services. Okay, SQL Server reporting services. So we have the in olden days, this is SSRS tool. Okay, this is also same like Power BI reporting tool, but we have limited features here. Okay, we have connected to limited data sources, and we have to connect to limited features we have compared to PowerBI. Okay, so this came in olden days, okay, like 19th centuries and all. Okay, now coming to the SSRS, now we are using Power BI. Okay, Power BI is a data visualization or cloud-based analytical tool, we can say. Okay, Power BI is a cloud-based analytical tool which helps to connect with multiple data sources. Okay, to connect with multiple data sources. First of all, what is data source, ma'am? You don't. Okay, data source is nothing but where the data is stored in that. Okay, so if you see in the P1 project SQL database, we have one that is SQL Server database we are using. Okay, so that is one type of data source. Excel is one source. Azure Cloud is another source. Okay, so to store the data, we require one type of the data source. Okay, so that we will call it as a data sources. Okay, so where we can connect it to the multiple data sources and will create interactive reports and dashboards. Okay, we can create interactive reports and dashboards. That is nothing but a Power BI. Okay, so now I'll show you how we can connect to all three data sources. Okay, so it is a Power BI, we can say, one of the cloud-based analytical tool where we can connect to the multiple sources. Okay, see, because how it help you, instead of without just assume if we don't have Power BI or any BI tool, so each project want to go and write some query here, fetch the data, and Excel we want to examine data, and again Azure Cloud. So there will be three data sources are required here, means three manual power is required, and each data they want to analyze and everything. Okay, so but BI came here to analyze quickly. Okay, we can get the access only the problem here. After that, everything we can do in a Power BI level. Okay, where we can connect. After that, we can develop. After that, we can analyze the data. We can create the different dashboards. Okay, so once again, it's opening. So I'll show you how to download Power BI. Don't worry. So in Power BI, okay, this we will call it as a development version, that is Power BI desktop. Okay, so Power BI desktop, in the sense it's a free application. Okay, so Power BI desktop completely free for developers. So anyone or whoever having the laptops, okay, they can download easily from the Google, or you can search any browser like Google Chrome. Okay, so you can get it. I'll provide the link. Okay, and I'll tell you the steps how you can download it. Okay, once download it, how it will be. See, first time it will take some time to open. So after that, when you use it, it will work very fast. Okay, so this is the way whenever you open the Power BI tool, it looks like. Okay, Power BI desktop. Okay, you can see here, but you can cross mark this. Okay, now you can able to see the environment of Power BI desktop. Okay, so if you first time when you open this white window open, right, white color window. Okay, this is nothing but our development area where we can create our reports, development. Okay, everything we'll do in the white space. And after that, the main part, if you see downside page one. Okay, if you know some Excel, it's similar kind of Excel. Okay, we can say like there we can say sheet one, right? Here page one, page two. If you want to page two means click on the plus icon. Okay, so page one, page two, it comes like that. Now, if we have report view, data view, and model view, I'll tell you one by one in the upcoming classes. But now I'm telling you how we can connect to multiple data sources. As I said, project one is nothing but Excel, right? Project two SQL Server database, something. Okay. So whenever you want to connect to any data, there is a option called, if you go to the home button, get data option will there. Okay, get data is nothing but a where we can connect to data sources. Okay, if you click on the downside more, one pop-up window will open. Let's wait. So if you see the pop-up window, here we have different types of that. Okay, if you are using file type of data, click on that. Yes, my file is Excel source. You can just click on the Excel and connect. It will browse to your laptop wherever the file location is. Okay, so you can connect to multiple data sources. Okay, so for example, I want to connect to employee file checklist. Okay, just click on open. So like this way, it will show you whatever the under sheets we have, right? The naming conventions, it will show you. So once you can select and give the all the columns, okay? So you can select this icon and load it, okay? It will load the data. Changes are applying. See, once it's connected, Power BI, everything will take it as a table only, okay? So before coming to Power BI, I hope you should aware of some concepts on SQL, like what is a table, okay? That would be easy, okay? If you're not aware also, don't worry. Table is nothing but a, okay, where we can store the data in a format table. Table contains columns and rows, okay? I'll tell you in the upcoming classes, don't worry, okay? This is kind of a table name we can say. Under that, what are the columns, okay? Here's the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, okay? So now we connected this table as a Excel. Now second project we want to connect to what? SQL Server database, right? So directly you can click on more. There is an option called database, SQL Server database. You can select. See, like this, there is a lot of features we have in Power BI to connect to any database. Okay, let's connect here. You just need to provide to the server details here. Okay, the server name and the database name option. Okay, so as of now, okay, let me provide this server name. I have one server. Okay, I'll tell you in the upcoming classes, don't worry. Okay, so like this, we can connect it to multiple data sources. Okay, source 2, that is. Next to source 3, we have analytic, okay, Azure Cloud. So click on more. In real time, we used to connect same way for the Azure Synapse, okay, or Azure SQL database, Azure Databricks. Okay, if you go to the Azure, see there is a lot of options for Azure Cloud. Okay, so you can connect to any database. Okay, like Azure Database. Click on. Okay, wherever you want, you just click and connect that. Okay, so Power Platform databases we have. So we have to connect IBM, Oracle. Okay, everything we'll discuss in the upcoming classes. What type of we have. Okay, so understood. So once you connected to the databases, okay, all three type of projects, okay, then you can union the data, okay, you can make it as a union or create the relationship between the project 1, project 2, project 3, okay, there is a relationship between, right? So based on that you can create the reports. So reports is nothing but, okay, Power BI is a visualization tool also, okay, Power BI is a data analytical and visualization tool, okay, so where we can create interactive reports, okay, you there is a visualization panel if you hear. So when once if you click on this panel, you can able to see the options here. What is axis, what is legend, what is values, what is small multiples, okay. So what to pass, everything I'll explain. Okay. So just as per curiosity, I'll show you. Data is loading. It may take time. Okay. So like this, we can make different reports and charts. Okay, and make it arrangeable in a meaningful manner. Okay. So we can create one meaningful dashboard. Okay. Dashboard is nothing kind of a, whenever you see in the screens, right? Okay, railway stations or whenever you are going any highways, they will display one, okay, dashboard. Okay. Dashboard is nothing but a storytelling, but through images we are storing. Okay. We are not showing any kind of data. Okay. They can use and these type of visualization to get the market ideas. Okay. So this is kind of Power BI desktop where we can connect to different type of data sources. Hope you understood, right? How to connect to the multiple data sources. Okay. So as I said, the business user once connected to the all the type of data sources, okay, he will create one data model. Everything I will tell you in the upcoming classes. Don't worry, but I'm telling you how we can connect it to the different data sources. Okay. Now, ma'am, in the market we have different data tools. Why Power BI? Okay. Okay. So Power BI was developed by Microsoft guys. Okay, Microsoft company. Power BI was developed by Microsoft. That's why people used to call this also sometimes Microsoft Power BI. Okay. If sometimes HRs or interview questions they will ask you Microsoft Power BI, don't be confused. Both are same, Power BI and Microsoft Power BI. Okay. So Microsoft Power BI, and this was developed by 2013. Okay. It came very late in the market, but after that, within 5 to 6 years, it became very high demand. Okay. We have one more data tools we have in the market, that is Tableau. I hope you people heard Tableau and MicroStrategy. Okay, that is from IBM. Okay, so we have different data tools, like we have SSRS also Microsoft ones, but that is old tool. After that, it migrated to Power BI. Okay, Power BI is the latest version of the reporting tool for Microsoft. Okay, so in the market we have Tableau, MicroStrategy, SSRS. Okay, but previously Tableau was the highest demand in the market. Okay, but now also we have few positions. Okay, we in the market, but mostly we are using the Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so Microsoft Power BI, whenever we have the data, there is a always scope in the Microsoft Power BI. Okay, I will tell you that one. Why in the market and next generation would be the Microsoft Power BI will be the more demanding on data BI engineering side. Okay, so why? See, nowadays, if you see, data is increasing tremendously, right? Okay, if you see, data is increasing a lot. Okay, so if you see now, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, if you see per second, some thousands of videos are uploading, right? Okay, some thousands of information through images or something, everything is uploading into the market. Okay, so to it's increasing data in the generation, it should be increasing only. Okay, so to make it meaningful and to make it very interactive to the business, we want to make it more meaningful. So that time this Power BI developers or Power BI admins will come to the market. Okay, so they will connect to the YouTube information also, and they can connect to any database. So that's why the feature we have in Power BI is more features we have, so we can connect it to any type of data sources. Okay, easily. We don't wait for it until and then they want to one person go and sit in the project, one person go and sit with them the project too. Okay, don't require. You just give the access. You just write an email. Please provide the access for this database in real time also, and update the access and start the development. Okay, so that's way it's very useful. Okay, and the business whoever for Power BI, okay, you don't require a lot of coding knowledge also, guys. Okay, Power BI is a tool. Okay, you can learn it within 45 days. Okay, or if you are very curiosity, you can learn it within 15 to 30 days also. Okay, but in the Power BI, there is a DAX language we have. Okay, data DAX is nothing but a data analysis DAX. It is a analytical tool. Okay, analytical language. Analytical language. So, which will be helpful, which helps to create measures, calculations, measures or something, but okay, in Power BI it is measures, calculated columns and tables we can create in a Power BI level. Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you in detail what is DAX and everything. Okay, but just understand we should learn DAX concept. Okay, it's easy only. DAX is not a little bit complex. Okay, don't worry, it's easy. Like whenever we want to perform some operations, okay, mostly in the interviews also, DAX you have to write query. Okay, so they will give you some scenario. How will you write the scenario in a Power BI? Okay, see, sometimes, okay, sometimes in a visual, just take an example. We have data like, okay, employee table, for example, okay, employee ID, employee name, and the year, month. We have some data like this, and after that, some uh, amount, okay, we have. Okay. Now, whenever you want to show the data in a visual kind of, okay, what will be the last year sales amount, okay, what will be the present year sales amount, okay, something you want to show, okay, in a visual. So for that, you have year like 2021, 2022, 2020, okay, like this. But whenever next year comes, 2025, automatically it should show 2024 as a last year sales, okay. So how to make it that, okay? For that we have some DAX functions, okay, some date DAX functions we have, that I'll tell you in the upcoming classes. So that cases it will be helpful, okay, don't be confused. So that way we can use this DAX language, okay. So Power BI is a data visualization and analytical tool, okay, which helps to connect with the multiple data sources to create interactive dashboards and reports, okay. Now, I'll tell you what are the components we have in Power BI. See, Power BI components. We have Power BI Desktop that already I have shown you. Power BI Desktop is a completely free software, okay, free license. You don't need to purchase any license. Another we have Power BI Service. Okay, this is licensed base. Okay, so once if you join the organizations as a Power BI developer or admin, they will. Okay, so next Power BI mobile. Okay, see in the mobiles also we can download Power BI. Once developing the report, they can use it. Okay, so that is nothing but a Power BI mobile. Okay, but most of the developer works in the Power BI desktop and server. These two. Okay, few projects only will ask the Power BI mobile, but we should aware everything. Okay, there is a three components in the Power BI side. Power BI desktop. It is a free software. Okay, anybody, it is a free software. It is a free software. Anyone can download. Anyone can download and start the work. Okay, they can download and start the development. Okay, but Power BI is it is a cost based. Okay, it is a cost based. It has some 60 days free trial option we have. You just need one Outlook account. Okay, one Outlook, Microsoft Outlook account required here. Okay, so once if you join the organization, you will have your mail ID. So that is the only the Outlook account. Okay, you can use that for Power BI service also. Okay, so why ma'am Power BI desktop is free, Power BI service is cost based means, see, development completely free guys. Okay, Power BI desktop is a development, so Once our development is done, we want to give to the users to use that. Okay, they have to purchase the license, and we have to our work, we are wherever we are making one channel, you can assume as a subscription. Okay, in the YouTube also we have a few people videos that is cost based, right? Subscription needs some amount. Okay, so same way, Power BI, you want to share your report to the anybody, you are making that into a some cost based. Okay, so whenever they want to use our work, they have to purchase that, so that way the company is profit. Okay, so it is a cost based and need one outlook account. Okay, hope you guys understood. Power BI is a mobile application where we can see the data in a mobile view format. Understood, guys? What is the components of Power BI? Just assume we'll discuss one by one later in detail. Okay, Power BI components, Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and Power BI mobile. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to see ma'am Power BI service. Okay, Power BI service, if you want to work on, you just need any one of the Google Chrome or any one of the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, internet only you have to do it with this. Okay, you have to go with the app dot. I'll give you this link, app.powerbi.com. You just enter this. It will ask you the sign in option here. Okay, as I said it, you need one Outlook account. Okay, with that account only you can able to submit, and then you can able to see. Without that you cannot able to see. Okay, so this is nothing but a Power BI service. Okay, so Power BI desktop is nothing but is a free software. So once if you download it, you can use it. Okay, and every month, okay, Power BI has one of the great functionality, that is every month they will upgrade. Okay, every month we have the new features of the Power BI desktop or anything Power BI features. Every month they will release. Okay, they will release every month. Okay, and if you want also add some more comments or new features type, okay, we can add it. But to the Microsoft, that is Microsoft community we have. Okay, so there we can, I'll show you while going to the community classes. Okay, so Microsoft community, where you can post your queries. Okay, you want certain feature also need to be added, so based on our real-time work. Okay, so we will get the ideas. Okay, so there we can check that. Okay, so this is all about the Power BI. Okay, so don't worry, don't be confused. Power BI is it. Okay, once if you understand, once if you start the work, okay, you will easily understand. Okay, so Power BI is a data visualization and analytical tool which helps to create measures, calculated columns, tables, and everything. Okay, so using Power BI we can connect to multiple data sources. Okay, so in the interview question they will ask you also what are the components we have in Power BI. Those are Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and Power BI mobile. And we have the one more certification also from the Microsoft, right? If some HRs wants, especially this Microsoft certification also. Certification in the sense, once if you learn the course, you have to give one exam. Okay, so that is cost based. Once if you are in organization, they will give you voucher. If you're not, you have to pay with your own pocket amount. Okay, so I'll tell you how to get a voucher. Okay, for free. I'll tell you the steps for that. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for the class joining. We'll uh, we'll meet tomorrow same timing. Okay. So hope so you understood the project. Okay. Power BI, how to create one real-time project also we will learn in the upcoming classes. Okay. Once you will get clear idea. Okay. Once if you learn the basics, okay, of Power BI, because basics are the basic are very, very important to any business intelligence tool. Okay. So if you know Power BI, Tableau, MicroStrategy, you can easily understand if that kind of requirement also comes in your projects. Okay. So those are different tools, but if you are understand the Power BI concepts, see, all data visualization tools concepts are similar. Okay. If you understand one tool, you can usually get the all the similar names. Okay, but everything is changed between the development kind of work, but all the scenario topics or everything is similar. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for the joining the session. Okay, we'll catch up on same to tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.